Your property is more than just a house. It's one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. But what happens when small issues are ignored? They can quickly spiral into major headaches, costing you thousands, even tens of thousands in repairs. The truth is, prevention is always cheaper than a cure. Think about it. A minor leak can lead to extensive water damage. Let's break down the year. Spring is your chance to reset after winter. It's time to clean out those gutters, getting rid of all the leaves and debris that have built up. Trim any dead or overhanging branches to protect your roof and siding. A good power wash can make your home look brand new, and it's the perfect time to inspect everything for any damage winter may have left behind. Catching these problems early is the key to a stress-free year. As we head into summer, the focus shifts to maintaining that momentum. Keep your lawn looking its best with regular mowing. Don't forget to service your AC unit before the first heat wave hits to ensure it runs efficiently all season long. It is also a good idea to give your roof a quick check for any developing issues. And keep an eye out for any unwanted pests trying to make your home their own. Then comes fall, the most critical season for property protection. This is your last chance to prepare for the cold months ahead. Give your gutters a final deep clean. Trim back any potentially hazardous branches before winter storms arrive. Weatherproof your windows and doors to keep the cold out and the heat in. Drain any outdoor water systems to prevent frozen pipes. And most importantly, get your furnace serviced. A well-maintained heating system is essential for a safe and comfortable winter. During winter, your job is to protect and monitor. Keep a close watch for ice dams on your roof, as they can cause significant water damage. Ensure your gutters remain clear of ice and snow. Protect your pipes from freezing by keeping them insulated, and regularly check your basement for any signs of water intrusion. A consistent, functioning heating system isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting the very structure of your home. Feeling overwhelmed? You don't have to be. Billy Goat's Hauling and Property Preservation handles all your seasonal maintenance needs year-round. From expert gutter cleaning and tree trimming to professional pressure washing and debris removal, we do it all. We offer comprehensive winterization services, complete with before and after photos, so you can see the quality of our work. We also provide detailed property inspections to give you complete peace of mind. With Billy Goats, you're always covered. Don't wait for a small issue to become a costly disaster. Protect your investment and save yourself the stress. Call Billy Goats Hauling and Property Preservation today to schedule your service. Thanks for watching.